Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn that how you can directly message to any WhatsApp number without saving in your contact list. Guys, although WhatsApp is very useful and amazing app and almost everyone is using WhatsApp nowadays. So WhatsApp has also some limitations like you cannot write any message to anyone which is not in your contact list. So today I will show you how you can directly message to any WhatsApp number without saving in your address book. First of all, you need to go to browser of your mobile phone, then go to address bar. Now type here exactly this URL wa.me, then slash, then your country code like 97 for Dubai, and I will type then phone number of that specific person like 14. Suppose this is phone number and I want to text this contact number directly without saving it in my contact list. I will just press go. Now allow it to open WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp. Now you can, this is Canadian Specialist Hospital number. In this way you can write WhatsApp message to anyone which is not in your contact list. Thanks guys for watching, learning. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel.